Hey guys, it's Joe Burgess. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Snap-on flare line wrench sets in metric and in standard standard size. Um, Here's actually something I wouldn't mind Harbor Freight doing with Icon's line, because these wrenches are probably gotta be my favorite wrenches right here, because they have the flare and nut ends, and then you can go to a thicker box or open end wrench end on it right here. So I wish that Harbor Freight would take a page out of Snap-on's book with these guys, because these guys are my go-tos on all different types of applications. These guys are nice. I really wish that they'd go and do that, because you know um, these are well made. A lot of the tool trucks have the same style going on. Um, you know, uh, Sometimes in bigger sets, sometimes bigger sizes. But yeah, like I said about these before, that they have a nice thick open end right here, and then you go to the end and you get your nice flare end right here, which is really handy. These are my go-to. I can guarantee you that. But yeah, I wish I wish they'd go and actually make a similar wrench, because to be honest with you, that would be a nice move on their part, if you ask me, because they are nice. And I'm just like so glad I bought these wrenches, because like I said, um, they've got me out of a lot of problems and jams. So um, nice to have. And not everybody can go to a tool truck either. So that's the other thing as well. You know what I mean? If you can't go to a tool truck, then a lot of times you're not seeing these wrenches. I actually haven't seen these wrenches made by anybody other than the tool trucks, for the most part. You know, um, they they should do it though. Like I said, I don't think. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. They are out there on tool trucks, but like I said, I haven't personally seen like. I don't think I've seen like Sunex do it, or Gear Wrench. These style wrenches. Like with the thick open end and the other end gonna be like a flare nut. With a nice inset there. But I haven't seen it other than a tool truck manufacturer. So, which I mean, uh, I'm afraid if you guys are watching this, this is something you may want to consider in your line, because these are nice guys to have. So, you know, um, it maybe something you might want to consider doing, because like I said, these guys are pretty nice. And these, among their other wrenches too. But as far as like a specialty wrench, boy, I'll tell you, these are nice to have. So, just in case you guys are wondering, my view on it is anybody out there, if you guys have seen this wrench in a different kind of brand or anything like that, other than a tool truck, let me know. I'm curious to see, because I've searched various like catalogs, things like that, and I still actually haven't come up with anything even similar to this. So, um, you know, I'd like to see it. If anybody out there does notice that, or does know of any manufacturer that does these types of wrenches, let me know, because I'm very curious to find out. I've searched high and low, and I haven't seen it. So I'm afraid if you are watching this, this is like I said, this is a nice style of wrench to probably manufacture, and I mean, you obviously can't copy it to the exact T, but I mean, you probably could come in close to something with these type of wrenches because people are looking for them, and I'm pretty sure that this would be a nice line for like the Icon brand. So yeah, guys, I'd like to hear, give me some comments out there. So, hopefully this video was pretty decent. You guys liked it and enjoyed it, and maybe Harbor Freight might see it. You never know. But if so, please drop some comments in there because I love it when you guys do that. And if you can, please subscribe. I love all the subscribers I can get, and it means so much, guys. So if you can, please do so. Alright, guys. You have a nice night, and I'll catch you on the next video.